Hello everyone. I'm excited to present our project, the Legal AI Assistant, an intelligent system designed to make Indian law more accessible and understandable. It combines AI-based constitutional knowledge with real Supreme Court case law, to provide answers that are not just accurate, but also legally backed and verifiable. Let's start by looking at the datasets we used. On the left, we have publicly available structured legal QA data from Kaggle. This includes Constitution, CRPC, IPC question-answer pairs. These form the foundation for our fine-tuned legal knowledge model. On the right, you can see raw Supreme Court case documents. These are long, unstructured text files used to retrieve legal precedents for answering complex questions. Now at model fine-tuning, I fine-tuned the IBM Granite 3.3-8B model using over 14,000 curated legal QA pairs. To make this efficient, I applied LoRa, low-rank adaptation, allowing us to adapt the model without retraining it fully. Here's a quick look at the training progress. Initial loss, 0.1220, final loss after 5 epochs, 0.0697. This shows the model successfully learned the structure and language patterns of Indian constitutional law. Next, I built a retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, system for answering complex procedural questions. We used the IBM Granite Embedding Model, 30M, to vectorize all Supreme Court case texts. Documents were chunked into 1,000-character sections, with 200-character overlap for context retention. These were stored in a face vector database with over 88,000 document chunks. When a question is asked, the system performs semantic search to retrieve the most relevant case law. Then it generates an answer that is legally grounded and citation-backed. Here are a few examples of how the RAG system works. For the question, what is the right to life, the system identifies 3 relevant documents. As you can see, I'm opening one of them on the right, and it clearly mentions and elaborates on Article 21 and the right to life as interpreted by the courts. Now let's talk about the fusion model that makes everything seamless. We use a smart question routing system. If the question is factual or constitutional, it uses the fine-tuned Granite model. If it's procedural or interpretative, it switches to the RAG system. Let's look at a live example. What are fundamental rights? The fine-tuned model gives a clean, structured list directly from the Constitution. The RAG model complements this with interpretations from case law. Let's see other example also. This helps users understand both the written law and how it's applied, with a system that maintains context, cites relevant legal documents, and automatically switches between models based on the query type, making it suitable for real-time legal assistance. In summary, the Legal AI Assistant bridges the gap between static legal texts and real-world case law. With a smart fusion of fine-tuned AI models and retrieval-based reasoning, it offers a powerful, scalable solution to make Indian legal knowledge accessible, trustworthy, and interactive for everyone. Thank you for watching.